Right, so we've got a 2019 Ferrari Portofino, which we've been doing Apple CarPlay upgrade with integrated reversing camera. So we've been just modifying this particular vehicle to now accommodate Apple CarPlay, which a car like this should have this. We can do quite a number of Ferrari models now, and this is available. So if you do have a Ferrari and you're missing out on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, then you need to get in touch, because I'm sure we'll be able to do something for you. So I'll just quickly show you around here. So we've got a nice little reversing camera, which is just nestled in underneath there. And then I will just get inside. Right, and as you can see, we've got full screen Apple CarPlay with all the usual refinements that you would expect with Apple CarPlay. Obviously it's all touchscreen, really nice sort of motion, not jerky, integrates really nicely. As you can see, it's very quick and slick in there. So yes, a great addition to this type of vehicle, as well as we've incorporated reversing camera, which you can see there, which now offers nice sort of detail as regards to that. So if you've got a particular Ferrari model, then please get in touch, or if you've got a Ferrari Portofino like this one, then also get in touch, because we'll be able to offer just what you've just seen there with us here at TTW Installations. Thank you.